Good evening, sir, and all the cadets. My name is Abhishek Yadav. I came to Banda. My today's topic is NCC. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. It was raised on 15 July 1948, which was established by the British in 1942. The official song of NCC is Kadam Mila Ke Chal, which was adopted in 1963 and registered in 1969 with the approval of the Defence and the Ministry. The emblem of the NCC consists three colors: red, dark blue, and light blue, which indicate the Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Army respectively. The 17 lotus indicate the 17 direct.
Good evening, respected sir and my all dear friends. I am here to deliver a speech on NATO. You know the full form of NATO? This is organized in 1949. After it was organized in 1949 because of Russia. After World War II, Russia shows its aggression on its neighbors like northern countries, and after the victory on the northern countries, they will reach to America, and America have a fear that if Russia come reach to America, then it have also victory on America, because Russia is gone full power after World War II, because America made an organization. On that time there were 15 members of NATO, but on this time there were 31 members. Do you know the Russia-Ukraine war is also happened because of NATO, because Ukraine want to expand its Ukraine wanted to expand its trade and business with America and all northern countries, but Russia was not allowed it. That's why is stay away from Russia and going to trade with America. But Russia have a fear, if Ukraine join NATO, then in the 5th article of the NATO, for your right information, there were 15 articles in NATO, but the most dangerous and important article is Article 5. In the 5th article, there was a rule that if any and all the member of NATO would fight to themselves, then there was no answer. But if any other member attack on each and every member of NATO, all members of NATO grouped and attack on it. Because of that, Russia have a fear, if Ukraine join NATO, then because of the Article 5, America comes on the reach of Russia, and they were also mentioned in the article of NATO. Any member of NATO will use any military base of any country. That's why Russia have a fear. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my dear sir and my dear brother. My name is Utkarsh Tiwari. I am from Allahabad, UP. So, dowry is complete injustice with women and does not give equal status in women in our society. Because of the dowry, men will always be superior to women. This is creating mess and negative environment in our society. Under the dowry system, Prohibition and Act 1961, this is a crime and illegal. Okay, my dear sir and my dear brother, I hope you all understand. So, thank you.
Good evening, sir and cadets. My name is Kartik Yadav. I am from Bijapur. My father's name is Mr. Vicky Yadav, is Indian Army, and my mother's name is Mrs. Radha Devi, she is homemaker. I have recently passed class 10th of 2023 in Uttar Pradesh. My village famous for carpet industry. In my village, 4 government schools and 2 hospitals. My village are very best village in farming. My village is near about the Ganga and many temples.
Dear sir and my dear friends, all of you, good evening. My name is Abdul Rahman and I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. And today's my topic is pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful material into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. They also can be created by human activities such as volcanic act. Pollution can damage land, water or air. There are many types of pollution.